On the first day of Christmas, Thomas gave to you waffle flour media mat.
On the second day of Christmas, Brenda gave to you a cricket trimmer and replacement blades. On the third day of Christmas, Lacey gave to you a mini scoreboard and tools.
On the fourth day of Christmas, Vinny gave to you 4 Nouveau confetti glitter packs.
On the fifth day of Christmas, Josh gave to you 5 golden things.
On the sixth day of Christmas, Amanda gave to you 6x6 paper pads.
On the seventh day of Christmas, Amber gave to you Nouveau Aquaflow pens.
On the 8th day of Christmas, Shannon gave to you an 8-piece embossing kit.